All right, check out this GMC Acadia. All right, this is a 2017 Acadia SLT limited package with the 20-inch wheels. This is a 2-owner, clean Carfax. Was bought new over at Mills. Took it in on trade. One of our employees bought it, had it for about a year. They traded it into a truck. So very clean, non-smoker. Got the clear bra on the front end on this one. So you can tell it's been well taken care of. It's limited, which means they're loaded. Check out the inside. Leather bucket seats, WeatherTechs, front and back. Third row seat that folds flat. This does have heads-up display, factory navigation, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, heated and cooled seats, factory tow package and a power liftgate, seat memory, Bose Stereo system, second row bucket seats, full power liftgate. This will have our standard lifetime powertrain warranty. Love to show it to you. Give me a call at 800-642-1566. Thank you.